Imagine a drone, not flying over Earth, but flying over the icy orange skies of Titan, Saturn's mysterious moon. Not for minutes, but for years. Powered by nuclear energy, collecting data, flying from dune to dune, hunting for signs of life. This isn't science fiction. It's NASA's Dragonfly mission, and it could change everything we know about the origins of life in the universe. Welcome back to Explorer Network. Today, we're diving deep into NASA's upcoming Dragonfly mission, a revolutionary nuclear-powered drone set to fly across Titan, Saturn's largest moon. If you love space, science, and mysteries beyond Earth, hit that subscribe button, because what we're about to explore is out of this world. So why Titan? What makes this moon so special? Titan isn't just Saturn's biggest moon. It's bigger than Mercury. It has a thick atmosphere, rivers and lakes of liquid methane, and organic molecules falling like snow. It's freezing cold, around 179 degrees, but its chemistry is similar to what early Earth might have looked like billions of years ago. Scientists believe that Titan could hold clues about how life began on Earth, and maybe, just maybe, life beyond Earth. Enter Dragonfly, a car-sized, nuclear-powered octocopter developed by NASA's Johns Hopkins Applied Physics Laboratory. Dragonfly will fly from location to location across Titan's surface. Unlike Mars rovers that slowly crawl across terrain, Dragonfly can leap over dangerous obstacles and explore far more territory in a shorter time. Equipped with cameras, spectrometers, drills, and life detection instruments, Dragonfly will analyze Titan's organic-rich surface for signs of habitability, or even past or present life. Flying on Titan is surprisingly easier than flying on Earth. Why? Titan's atmosphere is 4 times denser than Earth's, and gravity is only about 1/7 as strong. That means lift is easier, and energy is conserved. Dragonfly will fly short hops, roughly 8 kilometers, 5 miles, each time, and can cover over 175 kilometers, 108 miles, during its mission. The drone will power up using a multi-mission radioisotope thermoelectric generator, MMRTG, basically a nuclear battery, just like the Mars Curiosity and Perseverance rovers. NASA plans to launch Dragonfly in July 2027 aboard a heavy-lift rocket, possibly SpaceX's Falcon Heavy or NASA's SLS. It will arrive at Titan in 2034, after a 7-year journey through deep space. Once it lands, Dragonfly's prime mission will last 2.7 Earth years, around 1 Titan season, with a strong possibility of extension if all goes well. Dragonfly's main objective is to study Titan's prebiotic chemistry, that is, chemistry that could lead to life. It will analyze surface samples for complex organic molecules, measure atmospheric and surface conditions, explore areas like sand dunes, impact craters, and possible cryovolcanoes. Look for biosignatures or any evidence that Titan's environment once supported, or still supports, microbial life. Think of it as a robotic astrobiologist, flying solo in one of the most alien worlds in our solar system. Dragonfly is more than a cool drone. It represents the next era of space exploration. We're not just orbiting planets. We're touching down, flying, and searching for the building blocks of life. If Dragonfly finds organic molecules or signs of habitability, it could prove that life isn't unique to Earth. It could open the door to a whole new understanding of biology and evolution beyond our planet. As we push deeper into the solar system, missions like Dragonfly remind us how small we are, and how vast the universe is. So, what do you think? Could Titan really host alien life? Will Dragonfly make history like Perseverance or Voyager? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more space adventures every week. Until next time, keep looking up.